Hello everyone, so if you want to insert a SIM card into your Xiaomi 14T Pro, you're to grab your phone, find your SIM tray right here. So grab your SIM ejecting tool. Now let's find a hole in the SIM tray and gently enter the SIM ejecting tool. Now grab the SIM tray. Yep. Alright. Now grab your SIM card and put it in the slot. Make sure that the contacts are facing top. So let's put it in the slot, just like this. It should give this little inserting sound. Yeah, just like this. Now grab your SIM tray with your SIM card and simply eject it into your phone. So just like this. Now let's enter our password. And as we see, our phone had recognized our SIM card. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.